Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Naren Vlogs and Tech. I welcome you all to another video. This is going to be one of the most awaited upgrades, or I would say most of it is again for the sound and for the looks, and maybe a little bit of performance because it's a aftermarket accessory. Yes, this is for my Interceptor 650, and she'll be turning about 5 years now in the month of August. So I'm going to give her, I recently got her serviced as well yesterday and upgraded the engine oil to Silcoline 10W50, and I've heard very positive things about it. So let me just quickly unbox this. So I got this from Powerage, Coimbatore, Chennai. So this is the aftermarket exhaust for my Interceptor 650. Let me just quickly start with the unboxing.
I received it a couple of 3 days ago. But I didn't have the time or the bandwidth to go out and unbox it. Now I'm going to unbox it and I'll be installing as well. That'll be in a separate video. The recording after this. We'll quickly unbox it. And in my unboxing, this costed me 16,990. Online payment. I directly ordered from Powerage website. I did not buy it from Amazon. Thinking that some of these vendors might have the old stock of the exhaust, so I just won't get the recent manufactured one. I don't know. I don't understand. It doesn't make a difference much. But again, service better. And also you get to experience or maybe interact a little bit with the manufacturers directly as well. So I wanted that experience as well. Okay. A box within a box. This is the Powerage actual box. Packaging, exterior, clean packaging. Unbox this. Please do not mind the background noises. I stay in a very crowded, I won't say crowded, but again a very active neighborhood, very nearby to the main road. Okay, the tar, quality covering is removed. Okay, next in the packaging, we can remove this as well at the earliest. This is just a wrapping of the thin cardboard to protect the packaging as well, the main box. And this is not a very uncommon purchase because Powerage exhaust, aftermarket exhaust have been quite regular and it's quite common. A lot of people have installed since the time Interceptor has been released, and now with all the big brands, so many they have the exhaust for that as well. So the packaging good. Found something first. Okay, looks like the invoice from Powerage. Yeah, this is the invoice. You can pause the screen and have a look if you want to. Okay. And yes, the
Manufacturing name, the actual parent name company is again Panic Enterprises. I think they are the manufacturing people for Powerage. Directly got shipped from them. We kept this here aside. Yes. Now this is the matter we have been waiting for. Powerage Automotive Performance Products. This is the website I ordered it from. Clean packaging. Yeah, this has the invoice details. I mean this has the manufacturing details as well, I think so. No, it says slip-on exhaust, brushed steel finish. That is the one I've got. And my Interceptor is Baker Express. And maintaining chrome is difficult, as everyone is aware. So I wanted to experience the brushed metal stainless steel finish. Done. Yes. Experience. And very soon I would be upgrading and I would start the updated journey as well. It's neatly packed. Wrapped up in polythene and styrofoam for protection. Oh, okay. We've got a sticker, Powerage sticker, a good one. Yes, Powerage performance sticker. A keychain. Thank you, Powerage. And this is the installation guide, I feel. Sort of a brochure. A warranty card. Yes. Says all the, and again, the legality of using it on roads. Okay, any change to the existing vehicle as per the Indian RTO norms, Transport Authority, it is not legal except for race use. But you have to live with it. Okay, let me just quickly open the main packaging. These are quite small in size compared to the actual end cans, the factory OEM end cans. Okay. Yes, the revealing time. Wow. Isn't that amazing? Laser engraved. With baffles. And this is the batch engraved, I think so. Adjustable bolts. These are all stainless steel bolts. They've given the clamp as well. Looks nice, heavy and well built. Feels that way. These are TIG welding, I think. Looks good. Let me open the other one as well. I should have done this earlier. So I'm getting tired opening with the scissors. Yes, the other one. Powerage. I'm not going to remove the baffles. I want to make it sound mellow and sweet and nice. And for any drop in the torque or anything, I do already have the Fuel X Pro installed. I have an aftermarket air filter installed already. That should compensate for the flow. Also, I forgot to mention this. They have provided an Allen key to remove, what do you call it, the DB killers if needed. I might try it someday, but I would definitely use it only with the DB killers. Yes. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this unboxing video and my opinion on this. The next video will be the installation part. Again, I am not a big of a mechanic, but again, with my qualification, I am an engineer, mechanical engineering, and even my automotive experience as well. It's more of a DIY, very simple. And I've also watched a lot of videos on installation, especially the video from I think his name is Shrikant Ganesh. Yeah, credits to him. Very nice presentation. So I'm going to follow that and I'm going to install very shortly. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Please do support the channel, like, share, and subscribe among your friends, families, and do share your feedbacks for further improvement. Thank you very much. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Naren Vlogs and Tech. Yes, so I've brought in the exhaust to install on my white beauty. I call her Airavata, Indra's travel partner. Yeah, so these are the Powerage exhausts I'm going to install now. So neatly serviced and cleaned yesterday. Upgraded with Silcoline 10W50 engine oil. She will be turning 5 this August. So giving her this upgrade. Let us start with the installation process. So I've got the Taparia toolkit here. We should have all the tools that are needed. And of course I'm going to have the default tools kit as well. It's a Fuel X Pro. So what I'm planning is I'm going to direct the Fuel X Pro. I'm going to remove the Fuel X Pro and then direct it and let it idle, and then we'll connect back the Fuel X Pro to run the vehicle. Because as everyone keeps saying, the ECU on this vehicle is a self-learning ECU. So it is going to adapt based on the air and fuel intake and the exhaust as well. So I think that should give a positive impact on the exhaust performance and overall vehicle performance and the proper torque output and all of it. So let us begin with this. I currently do not have an action camera or a proper tripod to mount this and record it. But in meanwhile, in between the process, I'm going to take a few shots. I'm going to combine the video and I'll be sharing with you guys. And this is again a recent installation, a Bobo wireless charger with the fast charging support. And a lot of upgrades as well. I'm going to talk about it once all of this is done. Let's begin. Yes, now the installation is over. You can see this. Looks perfectly proportionate. Touch wood. And the only thing I was supposed to be careful here was these previous OEM silencers or slip-ons. The clamps had to be interchanged from left to right and right to left, and this fits perfectly fine. And the bolt size, I think one is for 30. So since I have the Taparia tool set, I was able to get all the nuts and bolts that are needed. Yes, the installation is now over. I cleaned all these are the OEM exhaust, the clamp, OEM exhaust plate, and that particular junction where this here it connects. So I cleaned it with a little bit of metal polish, water salt one, wipe it clean with a cloth so that it's clean, neat and clean, and install it properly. Yes, now let us just start and keep it for idling so that the ECU starts learning. I've disconnected the Fuel X Pro and installed this like a bypass which becomes default to the ECU. I'll idle it and then we'll connect back the Fuel X. Yes, let's go. I do have installed a way to speed air filter as well inside this. But I haven't installed the stage 2 plate though. I'll do it in some time.